Today, plenty of mid-range smartphones are already equipped with high-resolution cameras that performs very well for photos. In fact, most of the recent mid-rangers we tested could take crispy shots in daylight like this, zoom very well, create DSLR-like bokeh effects, take proper close-up shots, detect and optimize different scenarios decently, and get impressive low-light images with the help of the night mode. Even for selfies, devices like this OPPO Reno5 4G with a massive 44-megapixel front camera could capture impressive self shots. But apart from taking photos, a mid-range smartphone in 2021 should also be great for taking videos, especially today that we live in an era where TikTok, YouTube, Facebook content creation has become a career of many individuals. The problem? Not all of them are good enough for one's vlogging or content creation needs. OPPO is boasting that the OPPO Reno5 4G is not one of those phones. And today, we will be pitting this handset against Samsung Galaxy A71, one of the most popular premium mid-rangers last year. Originally priced at 22,890 pesos, the handset is currently listed at 18,990 in several retailers. Meanwhile, the OPPO Reno5 4G with an SRP of 18,899 is currently on sale for just 16,999 in OPPO authorized stores and official offline and online retailers nationwide. So hi, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH and this is our OPPO Reno5 4G versus Samsung Galaxy A71 video shooting comparison. Is it really that good? Watch now. For more content like this, please like and subscribe as well. The tale of the tape. On the left corner, the OPPO Reno5 4G is a device boasting a 64-megapixel f1.7 shooter with PIDA focus and EIS for stabilization. It is assisted by an f2.2 119-degree ultra-wide-angle camera and a pair of 2-megapixel f2.4 cameras for macro shots and shots with a bokeh effect. In front, it is using a single 44-megapixel shooter with an f2.4 aperture size. On the right corner, we have the Samsung Galaxy A71 using a 64-megapixel f1.8 shooter paired with a 12-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera and a pair of 5-megapixel f2.4 cameras for macro and bokeh shots. For selfies, it is sporting a 32-megapixel f2.2 shooter in front. Actual video camera performance. The two are capable of recording up to 4K videos at 30 FPS. Here we can see that the Reno5 takes wider 4K videos by default, allowing it to fit more in the frame than A71. The shot from A71 may look smoother, but it is narrower with softer details. Next is the ultra-wide shot. Here, the obvious advantage is with the A71 as it delivered a shot with truer colors and better exposure. It is wider as well. The Reno5 ultra-wide shot here is a bit too bright for my taste. There are no details in the clouds as well. For autofocus, the advantage is with the Reno5. It is faster than the A71 in most similar situations. Next is the stabilization function of both devices. Reno5 has up to 1080p 60fps ultra steady. It is cropped, but it does its job pretty well. A71 super steady also works. It even has a wider field of view, but shake is less with Reno5. Moreover, while it could be better, it has Ultra Steady Pro for stabilized ultra-wide videos. There's none on the A71. Reno5 also has a feature called Video Bokeh, and it blurs the background with respectable separation from the subject. The crop is just a bit big, but that's okay, as you won't see this function on the A71. For slow-mo, the two have the ability to record up to 960fps or 32x slow-motion videos at 720p resolution. The slow-motion speed is similar, but they differ in picture quality. For me, the A71 is a little bit ahead here. In low light, the two will struggle. By default, Reno5 shots are crispier. A71 is softer and narrower, but with slightly better stabilization. But the Reno5 has one huge advantage over the A71 when it comes to low-light shooting. It has the ultra-night video functions to make low-light shots brighter without losing many colors. Using the ultra-wide cam, both failed to impress. A71 is slightly better here. Again, it is wider too. For selfies with the face mask on in daylight, the one with the clear advantage here is the Reno5. While A71 can shoot in 4K in front with truer colors, details are noticeably better on the Reno5 4G. Its field of view is also wider. The two also have the ability to record 1080p slow motion selfie videos. They are a bit similar here. Another cool feature of the Reno5 4G is it has the ability to record stabilized selfies with bokeh and beauty mode simultaneously. It is evident that the Reno5 has small filters for the creatives out there as well. A71 has a fast forward video when you use single take, but it doesn't have dual view video mode found on the Reno5 that allows users to record back and front videos at the same time. Vertical take, the two phones are both capable video shooters. At times, A71 is better in some scenarios. It even has a wider and better ultra-wide angle camera. But the newer Reno5 4G has better primary shooter for videos. In most conditions, it produces videos that are more detailed than the A71. It is evident that it is also equipped with more features that could help mobile video content creators save time when editing, such as the dual view video mode, bokeh mode, different filters, and more among others. So we think that OPPO is correct, and the OPPO Reno5 4G is the slightly better video shooting machine. So for you guys, which one is better? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe. Bye bye.